Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I will show you how we can create a typography on any of the object using Canva completely for free. Even though it's pro feature, I will show you how we can create it for free. Alright, on the very first, maybe I can call it as image, we can see a banana, and on the banana there is a text called banana, and then right below the banana we can see a shadow. And also I want to give you one more example, and here we can see cucumber, and here we can see the text, and right below the text we can see a shadow, which means it is giving these vegetables a shadow effect. And I want to show you one more small example, and here I can see a man who is doing skydiving, and just by adding the shadow below him we can see that an effect called floating. We are just feeling like that he's floating somewhere, maybe he is on air. Now it is very simple for us to create these kind of images. How are we going to do that? So first let me open a new tab, and then I want to navigate to Google. And even if you are on your mobile phone or maybe on your laptop, open any one of the browsers, and then you navigate to Google, and then start typing Canva, and then hit enter. Now the very first software is Canva, so we have to open that. And just in case if you are a new user, all you have to do is you have to log in Canva using your Gmail ID, and then you will be landing directly on the home page. So here all we have to do is we have to open any one of the template which we want, so that we can start writing the text, and then we are going to import the vegetable image or something like that. Instead of YouTube thumbnail, I just want to take a square. So what I want to do, I want to click on social media objects, and then I want to choose Instagram post, which is a square, right? I want to choose this particular option so that a new template has been opened, and it is a blank template. So the very first important thing that we have to do is we have to import banana to this particular page. How are we going to do that? Just in case if we have already have a banana image, all we have to do is we have to click on uploads, and then we have to click on upload files, and then we have to upload the banana image directly from our laptop or maybe from mobile. Other next alternative is we can navigate to Google, and then we can search for banana PNG, and then we have to hit enter, and out of which we can choose any one of the image. So directly we can take the copy of this image, and then we can come to Canva, and then we can click on Ctrl V, which is paste. The banana image has been pasted or uploaded to Canva. It is very simple. Now the first thing has been completed. Now the second thing is we have to create a text so that it will be placed exactly here. How are we going to do that? Now as we all know that if we want to create a text in Canva, we have to choose this option, but in order to create a text which exactly looked like this, we have to choose a different option. So let me go back to the second tab, and how are we going to do that? So we have to choose the option called apps, and once we click on apps, we have to start typing Typography, and then we have to hit enter. Now here we can see not Typography, I'm sorry, it's Typecraft. Now we have to choose this option, and then we have to start typing the text which we want. And in our scenario it is going to be banana, and I want to enter the text in the block letters BANANA. And then we have to change the font. We have to search for Anton regular 123, and this would be the good font. And once we have choose the font, we have to click back, and then we have to change the color of the font to white, which will be very good because the background of the image is white, right? I want to click on colors, and then I want to move this exactly here, which will turn into white. And once we have did that, we have to click somewhere outside so that the color will be changed. Now here we can see the text banana. Now what we have to do, we have to make this text look in this particular way, which means we have to pull maybe bottom down, and then we have to choose a little bit up here, and then we have to choose little bit up, and then I want to click on add element to design. Now as soon as we click, the element has been added exactly onto this particular template. Now it is the time for us to do the alignment. Now I want to keep exactly here, and then here I want to pull a little bit down. So from the left side I want to pull a little bit down, and here we have to make it totally up. So let me pull this one up, and also here I want to pull a up exactly like this, and then a little bit down, maybe, and then we have to click on update element. As we can see, the changes has been made, but still it does not fit. So we have to play around, and then until we get the exact format. Let me do that, and most probably it will take only 40 seconds or 1 minute, depends upon how well that we are playing with it. Now also here we can do a little bit of adjustments. Now here we can see, now this particular text has been fit well onto the banana. Now what we have to do, we have to take the copy of banana, Control C, and then we have to click on add new page, and then we have to do Control V. And once it is done, and here we do have the object because it is in white color. What I want to do, I want to navigate to the left column, and then I want to scroll up, and here I want to click on elements, and from the elements I want to choose any one of the shape. I want to choose a square shape, and then I want to turn this particular shape into black color. I want to click on black. Now once it is done, I want to move this particular element backward so that we can see the white color banana font onto the front. How are we going to shift the position? We have to click on position, and then we have to click on backward. Now we can see the banana text, right? And also I want to align it so that I want to see the full text of banana. And once it is done, what I want to do is I want to click on share, and then I want to click on download, and then I want to download only this one particular page. So that, let me select the pages, and I want to uncheck the page number 1, and then I want to download only the page number 2. Now let me click on download, and then I want to click on download. Now once the image has been downloaded, we can drag and drop directly onto the Canva one more time so that it will convert as an image. It is not an editable. So I want to drag and drop this particular image onto the original image in this particular page. And also I want to delete this particular element now so that I can place the image exactly here. Alright, and now it is the time for us to remove the white color background. Just in case if you are not making any use of the Canva Pro feature, that is the time you have to navigate to Google, and then you have to search for background remover, and then you have to open any one of the website. You have to upload the this particular image, and then you have to remove the background so that you can re-upload back to Canva. Now if you are making any use of the Pro feature, all you have to do is you have to click on background remover so that the white color background will be removed. Now only we do have the back color background, and then we have the text banana here, and it is an image. So we have to select this particular image, and then we have to click on edit, and once we click on edit, we have to choose the option duotone, this option in the effects. Now let me click on it, and here we have to choose the option cherry, and here we have to turn these two colors completely to white so that the black color will be removed. So let me choose this color. I want to make it white. The same way I want to choose this color, and then I want to make it white. Now we want to select this particular image, and then we have to adjust it. Let me keep it completely here, and even from the right side I want to keep it exactly here. And now I want to do a little bit of alignments so that it will fit exactly to banana. So this is how we have to make the changes. It will take maybe 1 minute of time or maybe 30 seconds of time. Now once we have created this particular effect, all we have to do is from the left side we have to choose elements, and from the elements we have to search for shadow, and then we have to click enter, and from the graphics we have to choose any one of the good shadow. This shadow will always be good, so I want to drag and drop exactly here, and then I want to bring it, and then I want to place it right below the banana so that it will give a floating effect. So it is very easy for us to create a typography on any of the objects using Canva completely for free. If you really find my videos helpful, and if you want to learn anything inside the Canva, or maybe if you want to learn anything related to designing, you can directly leave a comment right below this video. I will read each and every one of your comments, and then I will make a video if it finds appropriate. And I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.